Now to open the hood, we need to pull the two release cables on each side of the vehicle. Let's start with the driver's side. So open the door on the driver's side and you will see the two patch panels on the side of the door. Here are the two panels in front of the driver's side door. The one we need to open is the top one. So push down on the locking mechanism and pull out the cover. Now inside there's the cable that we need to release. Use your pick tool to pull it out. Then pull it. That's one. Let's do the passenger side as well. So same on the passenger side, only with one panel. So push down on the cover and pull it out. Then take out the release tab and pull on it. There you go. The primary lock on the hood is now released. Now I forgot to mention that before raising the hood, you're gonna need two cylindrical hardwares to slide in the mechanism that holds the hood up. So find something like I'm using drill bits to slide it in the raised mechanism for the hood. Also, raising the hood requires two people, but because I'm by myself right now, I'm gonna do this by myself, but I'm gonna be very, very careful. So have someone help you. So you pull the hood from the windshield area and shift it upward just a little bit. Then locate the locking mechanism under the hood. I'm gonna show it to you in a bit, but let me raise the hood up first. There you go. Let me show you. So here's the hinge with a hole on it that you slide in your cylindrical hardware to hold the hood up. You have that on both sides of the hood.